Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. May I tell you, first of all, how pleased I am to stick here and deliver a speech before you. My speech title is For Those of You Who Feel Insecure. Let me start by asking you the following question. What is insecure? Insecure is being talked about a lot lately. According to Abraham Maslow, an American psychologist, insecurity is the condition in which persons feel insecure, perceives the world as a threatening force and most human or dangerous and selfish. Insecurity is a feeling of anxiety or lack of confidence that makes a person feel insecure. Taken from the WebMD page, there are 4 types of insecurity that occur in a person, namely relationship insecurity, job insecurity, body image insecurity, and social anxiety disorder. I will now focus on the cause of the emergence of a sense of insecurity in a person. According to clinical psychologist Melanie Greenberg, PhD, there are 3 common reasons people feel insecure. First, insecure because of reasons failure or rejection. According to reasons on happiness, reasons effect have a profound effect on our mood and how we feel about ourselves. Because unhappiness affects self-esteem, failure and rejection can have a twofold impact on self-confidence. Second, insecure because of social anxiety. Fear of being evaluated by others can cause anxiety, which in turn makes them avoid social situations because they feel uncomfortable. Third, insecurity driven by perfectionism. Some people have very high standards in everything they do, but life doesn't always turn out the way we expect. If you are constantly feeling disappointed and blaming yourself for not being perfect, you will feel uncomfortable and unworthy. Right, we occasionally feeling anxious, afraid, or not confident is a very natural and normal thing to happen. But if it keeps happening, it will affect a person's mental state. A person who is insecure generally does not realize that he or she feels insecure because anxiety and fear are very common every day. These are the signs when a person feels insecure, namely feeling inferior, experiencing excessive fear, not wanting to get out of his comfort zone, and often comparing himself to others. Now, let's see another part of our talk about the impact that arises when someone is insecure. First, always feel anxious. The more a person feels insecure, the higher the anxiety is felt. The emergence of excessive anxiety also has an impact on a person's psyche. For example, causing depression. The anxiety makes people become closed, moody, restless, easily stressed, and always think other people are superior. Second, interfere with daily activities, because there are negative thoughts that continue to dominate the mind. Third, it's easy to think of yourself as worthless, lose of enthusiasm for carrying out daily activities, which result in people who are aloof, do not want to socialize, close themselves, and are afraid of the surrounding environment. Well, after we understand about insecure, do we need to feel insecure? In essence, human created by God must have their own advantage and disadvantage. It is impossible for God to create his creatures full of advantage without the slightest flaw in human. Humans are born with different nature. On the basic the journey of life still feel that there is nothing to be proud of. Both in work, hobbies, and other within the end can affect us, we feel that there is no achievement to be proud of. In my opinion, it is natural for someone to experience insecurity where they feel uncomfortable and insecure. However, this should not be prolonged and we should avoid it as much as possible, because from this attitude it will be difficult for us to move forward in our life and we will be trapped in despair. We need to cultivate a sense of optimism in order to overcome the obstacles that exist. If we now look at how overcome a sense of insecurity, Carol Worth, a communication and self-confidence expert, provides some tips for dealing with insecurity in yourself. First, be a friend to yourself. When we start to feel insecure, we must self-love, not self-judging. Second, leave toxic friends who often bring you down. Having a toxic friend doesn't make our life better. Often they make us insecure and overthinking all the time. So, limit interaction with toxic friends and stay away from them for your better mental health. Besides that, the third tip is take small steps to build self-confidence. According to Carol Worth, we must push ourselves out of our comfort zone. Fourth, give self-reward when we succeed in fighting insecurity. Celebrate this little thing by rewarding yourself. The momentum can increase self-confidence. Fifth, spend time with people who can appreciate your existence. Best friends make our life better. When the feelings start to feel insecure, there is nothing wrong by talking to best friend. Surrounded by people who support will help overcome feeling of insecurity. And sixth, don't depend too much on other people. Don't put expectation too much for people. It's better to depend on yourself than on others. Insecure makes a person feel afraid, anxious, worried, doubting himself, and feeling unable to carry out daily activities. If it is left for too long, it makes us overwhelmed and easily stressed in facing challenges in life. If you can't stand it, come to a professional psychologist to help you. Psychologists will conduct therapy to identify the strength of ourselves to overcome feeling of insecurity within us. In conclusion, I should just like to say, from now, and avoid the feeling of insecurity. When there are obstacles or we feel like we have failed, all we need to do is calm down and then get up, because the result or achievement of each person are different, not the same. The key is that we must remain grateful for what we have, because what we have now may not be honored by others. Thank you a lot for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.